Hi, follow up users. Christine here with your tip of the week. Have you ever had a question or wanted to look something up and weren't sure how to do it? Well, I want to go over how to find what you want to know about follow up. Right here, we have a button called the help button that's actually helpful. So if you click on this button and you want to ask someone a quick question, you can hit chat with us. If you want to look up a video or article on something you wanted to figure out, you could click help videos and articles. If I click on this, maybe I want to learn how to enter a new project. I can start typing what I'm looking for, and it'll actually pull up an article and a video helping me walk through how to do that task. The other thing we have here is we have office hours. Every week we offer office hours to admins and champions, and then we also have new user training for new users. So you can sign up right here and we'll meet with you. We also have a way to report a bug, suggest a feature. If there's something you want follow up to be doing that we're not doing yet, you can suggest a feature right here. We hope you have a great week and we'll talk to you soon.